Is being an electrician in Oman well paid? The average electrician income in Oman is around 9,000 US dollars a year. That works out to an average electrician pay of roughly $750 a month before tax. While this is the nationwide baseline, how much does an electrician make in Oman when they work in larger urban areas? In a major city like Muscat, electrician wages are noticeably higher, with workers taking home about $10,600 a year before tax. Living outside the capital brings lower earnings, but cheaper rent and everyday costs often balance things out, so your actual purchasing power stays similar. When starting out, an entry-level electrician salary in Oman sits well below these typical averages. Your pay goes up steadily as you gain hands-on experience, though it usually plateaus unless you step into a higher role. Holding a technical degree helps you break through that ceiling, which is why educated workers can advance into roles like site supervisor or electrical project manager. On top of that, mastering specialized skills like high voltage systems can help you earn substantially more.